chimney, chim chim chiroo. Hi!
Hungry, fella?
That ought to hold you for a while.
Alrighty then.
But we've had similar problems in the past. Oh. Sorry.
Quinn, I'd like you to meet Ace Ventura. This is
Hi there, nice to see you. Bumblebee tuna? Bumblebee tuna! Ace Ventura, pet detective. How are you this afternoon? Alrighty then.
Secret agent man, secret agent man, they've given you one number.
I'd like you to meet Hitu, Chief of Tribal Security in the province.
Please, don't get up. Like a glove! Die, devil bird!
Now, these two are Australians. The bald one is Mick Katie. The other is said to have been raised by Aborigines. The natives call him Gaji, the hunter. Both are known poachers and have been
Mr. Ventura!
This wedding ceremony is going to take place in 4 days. I cannot have bloodshed in my province. We're counting on you.
Honk, 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 honk. Hey-ho, Silver, away!
Alrighty then.
Bang, bang, chitty, chitty, bang, bang. Her fine for Vandered. Chitty, bang, bang, chitty, chitty, bang, bang. Chitty, bang, bang, yeah! Chitty!
Can make me out to be a fool. Even say I lost my mind. I know in my heart there's no rule. You're the one.
They did not know about disease until the white man came.
Activist. Yes.
Activist, yes.
Something wrong, Mr. Ventura?
Bring me to your place.
Here she comes. Oh, boy. Holy, holy, holy. Good thoughts in, bad thoughts out. Good back, good back, good back.
I will fear no living creature as long as I keep this near me.
Take that, you winged spawn of Satan! Eat up, guys. None of this animal goes to waste.
Be careful!
What are you going to do?
to get some answers.
Stop that! Stop it! Stop that! You'd like me to stop that, wouldn't you? Get into you.
Have you ever seen that? They're hideous. Lifeless beady eyes, clawed feet, huge grotesque wings, even fangs. They give you rabies, you know.
Yes, quite. I see your point.
It's in the bone! It's in the bone! It's in the bone! We love you, Dirt Continent! Good night!
I thought you loved all animals, Mr. Ventura.
Thought you were supposed to love all animals. Well.
Say hello to my stinky little friend! Get it away!
We've been coexisting quite nicely with the native cultures for the past 200 years. They're almost like family at this point.
Are they?
It is imperative that we recover the sacred animal. If not, the peaceable Wachatis will assuredly be obliterated. The Wachutus are bloodthirsty. They consider its disappearance both an insult and a curse.
Do I have something in my teeth?